Good night, Moonlight. The wind is picking up. Look! The lightning is dancing across the sky. Listen, rain is tapping on the window. Oh no! The thunder is booming so loud! What's that sound? Whistling through the trees? I don't like this. I need one. The lights just went out. It's pitch black. Mom, Dad! The door, it won't budge. I hear something, a creak, a shuffle. Every shadow looks scary. Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Get out of the way! No, it's not real. It can't be, can it?
The storm is getting worse. I hear you crying. Don't worry, I'm here.
Lila! Are you okay?
Mom, I'm so scared.
It's okay, sweetie. Come here, everything is fine. Sleep tight, Lila. The storm is gone.
Thank you, Mom. I feel brave now. Wow, it's glowing so brightly.
See, this little lamp can chase away all the dark. The shadows are just your toys. Let's see what's under the bed. Look, no monsters. Remember, even in the dark, you have the power to shine. Good night, my brave girl.
Be courageous like Lila.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.